Good evening. A federal lawmaker has taken up the cause on a concern that we have been reporting on for a couple of years now.
The broken down condition of the Thruway as it passes through the Cattaraugus territory of the Seneca Nation. As our Dave McKinley reports, Congressman Tom Reed is taking legal action to prompt the state and the Thruway to get it fixed.
There's an oft-heard saying that if a problem is big enough, it might take an act of Congress to fix it. Well, we're not quite there yet, but we do now have congressional involvement.
This road needs to be fixed.
Flanked by the Chautauqua County Executive and a member of the State Assembly, Congressman Tom Reed called on the Seneca Nation and the state and the Thruway Authority to get their acts together.
Enough of petty politics.
Like others, Reed suspects the roadblock to repair is rooted in some sort of unrelated dispute, perhaps casino revenues. It's something we've been trying to get to the root of for years without a straight answer from any party, and he concedes he's got no further than we have.
We also get that conflicting type of response.
But he says because the state, through its Thruway Authority, is responsible for the road, the condition of which he called deplorable, that's who needs to listen to this.
We are serving prior written notice of the defective condition of this roadway so that if and when, God forbid, someone gets injured or killed as a result of this defective condition, that there is no question of the liability, and those that should be held accountable are the people that are responsible for allowing this road to get into this condition.
While taking the opportunity to point fingers at the governor in particular.
You got the governor's office using the safety of the public as a bargaining chip to try to put pressure on the nation in order to resolve those other disputes that they have. That is wrong, and that is why I stand here and loudly say enough.
He also had to say that loudly to be heard over all the traffic down here. Now, we did contact the governor's office for comment about this. It said we should call the Thruway Authority. We'd already done that, and its spokesperson today told us essentially the same thing she said in the past, which is really nothing of substance. The Seneca Nation also issued a statement late today saying the roads here are dangerous and claiming it has done nothing to stand in the way of any repairs. Along the Thruway in the Cattaraugus territory, Dave McKinley, Channel 2 News.